Hello, guys. I am cooking and look what I'm seeing from the kitchen window. Look. Oh my goodness. They're starting to come because I put the bear seeds. Look. Oh my god. That's so cute. If I open the door, they're gonna run away. So, look. They're adorable. They are coming because I put all the bird seeds over there and they love it. I'm gonna try to put some more for them and spread it out a little bit more in the middle of the yard. Look at this one. It's so cute. Hello, sweetheart. I don't know if he see me. Yes, probably he see me. I'm tempting to be out opening the door, but I don't want to do that because they're gonna run away. Oh, they are adorable. They're absolutely adorable. Oh, this is a good sign. This is a sign that the spring is coming. Nice. Lovely. Good night, guys.